Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We changed our light today from an incandescent to an LED on the front of the airplane, so I thought I'd show you guys that, and we're going to take a look. All right, talk to you soon. By the way, if you haven't visited our YouTube... Okay, so here we are, taking a look at the Piper 180, PA28180, and if we go to the front of the airplane, we can see the new LED headlight there. That's the one that we just replaced. And go to this side of the airplane, we can see the new window that I just put in here. Now this one had a crack, so we had to replace it. Pretty easy thing to do. And let's go around to the other side of the airplane, and we'll go inside and turn on that LED light and see how things look. All right, reach in here. Here we go. There's our master switch over on this side, and then landing light there. All right, that's on, and we'll go around to the front. All right, here we go. Back around and see how things look. All right, so we got a pretty bright light there. Okay, good. That should be brighter than the original incandescent, which we can see over here. There's the original one, and there we go. Awesome. Well, in another video, I'll show us how we got that cowling off the front to get down to the light, and we'll go from there. All right, thanks again. If you get a chance, subscribe and like our video. Thanks again. God bless. Okay, just a side view of the airplane there. Here we have Mom and Winter in Decatur, the tower. Of course, me taking off from Lincoln, as you can see there. Nice day. It's an aerial view of Lake Springfield, and we have another aerial view of Lake Springfield there. Of course, this is out at Palmyra. Nice little flight. Another view inside the Decatur Tower, and this is Summer and of course Mom. Hey, just wanted to say thanks again for watching our YouTube channel and videos. Please subscribe, and hope you enjoyed things. We should have some more things coming very soon, especially as the weather gets nicer. So, okay, talk to you soon.